this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got some Biang noodle from China. This is by Yashu, and this came from S-Mart, Shop Smart, Shop S-Mart over in Bellevue, Washington. And these are really wide noodles, and they are excellent. I love Biang. You can see they are wide. So let's cook these noodles. Get in there, come on, kind of relax. It's okay. I know it hurts. Hurts to be a noodle. Wow, that one's really long. Okay, get in there. It takes a while for them to kind of relax. But they're like boards. They're really long. So get in there. But I thought today I would show you. Wow, they're still like getting there. Come on. Yeah, I think this one does take like 5 to 7 minutes. We'll give this one, let's put it on 5 and let's see what happens for now. They're still like relaxing enough to actually get into the completely submerged. Wow. Yeah. What a day. What a day. But it'll be a good day, I think. I'm gonna hang out at home with my little Gail. Keep her company and comfy as she battles through some sick. There we go. So one thing, if you're cooking up Biang noodle, you definitely want to keep them moving around or they'll kind of stick, and that's already seems like what they're trying to do. This might have done better with a larger pot. But we'll see what happens. You gotta boil the heck out of these things. But what you end up with at the end is almost like a Chinese lasagna. That's like the most layman's term I can put for it. And usually, from what I've had in the past, I had a Biang that was on the top 10 list a little while back. Who made that? Oh, Lang Chiang Mai, I think. I can't remember. They had a really good one. It was scrubbing stuff, let me tell you. Yeah. Keep stirring, moving about. Yeah, these just want to stick together. I'm going to give them a little bit of time. But I thought I would show you what I'm always fiddling about with. No, not that. But here is the camera, or the equipment I use for doing the show. You might not have noticed, but this is what I use. So this is like the opposite direction. This way? No, this way. So this is my monitor here, so I can see what's going on. And this is what the music plays on. So basically this is my current cell phone I use. The one that you're looking at this with is my old cell phone. And this is my wife's ancient cell phone. It's got that big long stripe on it, but I use this thing to play through my Bluetooth speaker I walk around with, and to play the music that you get on the show. And it works out pretty well. I like this setup. It makes me it does right. I've gone through so many different ways of doing it. I used to use what was it called? A Galaxy Gear 360, which was a 360-degree camera. I mean, you could do like 360 degrees, but I had it only set for the front facing. And people complained about that. They're like, you can't even see it. Everything's like fisheye and blah, 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 blah. It's like, well, you know, that's what I got to work with. And then a nice guy named Andrew donated a GoPro Hero 7 Black camera, which worked pretty good, but that thing would overheat like nothing else, man. And then I got my new Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the option was to save a couple $100, and honestly, I think the deal ended up with keeping my phone. I ended up saving more money. I can't remember what the deal was, but they had like a promo deal if you upgraded, and I went with that, and I kept the phone that you're watching me on right now, and I'm stoked because the cameras on the S20 Ultra are absolutely amazing and good, and so what's the point? But I use this thing, the S20 that you're watching me on right now. I use that. I do time lapses with it out in the garden. I put it on the stroller when I take my daughter for a spin. Oh yeah, this needs way more time. And it works great. And the battery in it is cherry, and yeah. And it's got tons of space. And I've got a SD card in it. And the thing will do like, I've done 18-hour time lapses and it hasn't even done much to fill up my card. So I guess if I wanted to do a time lapse in like 4K, that would do it, and my computer would probably explode when I was trying to render it down, but yeah. Wow, this really needs a... Whoa! Come on, Belty Noodle, get back in there. There you go. Yeah, big, wide, super floppy noodle. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sachets. 6 of them. This one says seasoning pack. This one doesn't say anything. I know one of them is a, probably this one is bean sprouts. They're more liquid. This one says spicy sauce pack, and this one doesn't say anything, but it says modesty, struggle, joyful. So that's modesty, struggle, joyful sauce. I mean, who doesn't love modesty, struggle, joyful sauce? I wish all my foods said modesty, struggle, joyful on them. I find it amusing, interesting, fascinating. I like the other one I did the other 2 reviews ago was, what did it say? Tai Chi Easily. I like that one too. Man, it is just gonna take a while on this stuff. We'll give it time. I think the rest of the spring onion will go with it. The rest of the ground beef, some sesame seed. Well, first, this noodle's got to get done. For sure, for sure. It's getting there. I'm going to give it an extra 2 minutes, and that should be it. So, I got this machine. I haven't shown off the Holy Slicer in a while. That's the Holy Slicer. And so what you do is you pull this up. I've got a step-down transformer back here because this is from Japan. And through here you go, and you put in stalks of green onion, and then you end up with that. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that. I spilled green onion. I make a mess. I have no compunction about saying that. Wow. I don't know how much more I can do of this. This is about there. We're gonna give it a try. I'm hoping it's done. If it's not done enough, I can't really fault the product for that. Just mine own self. Because I gotta get stuff. What's going on out there? Ah, train. Gotcha. So here is our Biang. Yeah, alright. Yeah, this is wonderful stuff. If you see Biang noodle, I just spilled it. Spilled this stuff. Tastes good at least, but yeah, I spilled it. Like I said, I make a mess. I'm proving that. I have to hose down the stove once this is all done. What do we have here? Spicy sauce. But yeah, generally with these, you end up with a bunch of sachets, a bunch of liquids and things. And you stir it all up. And you get wonderment. Wow, this is really a long episode. I apologize, but this kind of noodle really needs a lot of time. Oh my god, and that freaking dog again today. So somewhere in between the apartment buildings, somebody's got a dog that they leave out when they go to work or whatever, and it yips and yelps and cries. And it's really getting old. It's like, leave your dog in your apartment. Oh, it poops? Well, guess what? You got a dog. My dog poops in there and yeah, but it barks out there. Oh, that's right. This one has like potato in it. I think I saw somebody mentioning potato. When I did my research, I found this online, and because there's like next to nothing in English on this package. It can be tricky, but I kind of figured this one out, I think. Whoa. This looks like this will be our sprouts. Usually I roll my own mung bean sprouts, but I know this one came with them. Yep. Pickled bean sprout. And then we have a powder seasoning sachet. So now we just got to stir it up. So here we go. Look at that. Let's get those sprouts moving about nicely. Look at all that yumminess. Super saucy. Gosh, I hope these got done. But see, they like to stick when you boil them. I think what you really need is a really big pot to do these up, right? Because yeah, most of these are. Oh yeah, that is not done right there. But I won't take points off for that because that is user error. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I don't want any right Actually, that's probably my daughter's school going. So what kind of sick does she have exactly? It's like, I'm sorry, I'm working. I'll call him back. So here is Biang. Let's give it a try. Ooh. Spicy, very salty. Pretty good. There's bean sprout or a spring scallion and hamburger that was sauteed with some Maggi seasoning. Now we're just gonna stir this sucker up, put it in a nice plate, and watch it spin. Don't get crazy out there now, boy. And they left a message. Good. Well, I will call them back when I can. I can't right now. Alright. My. My only complaint on this one is it's very salty, but it's good. There's a lot going on in there, that's for sure. There's a lot of scallion going on there, that's for sure. Oh, and here's the. There we go. And we got some seed. Really doesn't need anything more than that. We got our meat, we got our veg. Beauty. Yeah, if you see this stuff called Biang noodle, B-I-A-N-G, you want it. Crushed red pepper on there. Super duper cool. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and we'll have more to come. Have a good one. Bye bye.